In this video, we're going to look at how we can use the iterative process to figure out how a set of code is working. By iteration, what we mean is making small changes, testing out those changes to see if they do what we expect. So we're not going to make a whole massive change to this entire block. We're just going to change little pieces along the way to figure out how it's working. I remember that when I disaggregated, I was able to figure out that this is a list of 5 different things. It's this list of names in here. So I'm just going to leave that in there. And what I want to do is figure out how this random block works, because when it was by itself, I can just say it's expecting lists. I'm not really sure how that's working right now. Okay, so to figure this out, I'm just going to make a small change up here. I'm just going to put in 1. I'm going to press apply, and then see how this changes. So when I press a couple times, it looks like it's just giving me back Senora. And that's it. Okay. Let's drop in last. Press apply and see what happens here. Okay. This is giving me Jake every time I press. Cool. I wonder if we can put in something different. I'm going to put in item 3 of this list. So we're getting 1 Senora, and we got last was Jake. I'm guessing that this is going to give us the 3rd thing on this list. 1, 2, 3. So I think that's going to give us my cat. See what happens. Yep. Cool. So it looks like the way this item something of list is working is it's when we drop in this random thing, it looks like it's randomly choosing something from this list. It chooses anything and just does it randomly. It also looks like we can mess around with this list a little bit and not just mess with this item here. But, I might want to change this to say Abe. I'm just going to say item 1 of list. So I'm guessing that if I say item 1 of this list and it starts with the word Abe, it's going to say Abe a bunch of times. Cool. So by making these small changes, we were able to figure out how exactly this code was working by making a small change, testing it, making another small change, and testing it again. And by that way, we were able to use the iterative process to figure out exactly how this set of code is working.